Look at this man's brain, how he set up a tap using a bamboo stick and is drinking water from it. Just imagine how much intelligence this man has in his head. This is a table or a treasure trove. There is a makeup box for decoration, a mirror, various jewelry and a chair. Inside the chair there is a locker where you can keep your valuable gold and money. I have never seen a table like this. Look at how much intelligence the man has in his head that made such a beautiful basket. In the first state, it will be folded. If you straighten it, it will become a basket. Many tasks can be done easily if you work hard. Look at how this man is doing the work of two people alone. How he is filling the rice into the sack using both feet. Of course, two people were needed to do this, but the man is doing it alone. Look at how much effort this man put into it. Instead of buying a toy from the market, he made a toy from his child with two plastic bottles and some pipes, which help the child all. It's amazing. It is very difficult to carry large water cans. If you want, you can carry them very easily, and you can carry two at a time. Take a rope and a pipe as shown in the video, then tie a knot in the mouth of the can like this. Then you carry it very easily. If you need to install a staircase in front of your house and there is no space in front, then you can install a folding staircase like this. When you need it, you can open it and then put it back up. It takes up less space and you can use the front of the house for other purpose. If you are smart, you can carry a lot of bricks on a small bicycle. Look at this man placing the bricks on his bicycle in such a way that they do not fall, and see how many bricks he can carry at a time. This brother basically carries bricks from one place to another. Great idea. Many people use shoe, but they don't fit even for 2 days. That's why I hear from mothers that they need to make iron shoe for you. According to that, iron shoe have been brought. Look, if you wear those shoes, you will never be able to tear them again. Check out an amazing technique to measure the size of fruits. He has placed two bamboo sticks in such a way that the fruits fall according to their size. See how the size is determined. The fruits fall into three categories: small, medium and large. It is an amazing technique. Experience and talent don't come with certificates. You have to earn it yourself. Look at how this guy is drawing a hand on a dirty car. Look at how easily he did it. It's very easy. You can do it too. There are such tasks that require not strength but intelligence. Look at how to lift a pad that is laying down. How to lift a plastic bike trying. A truly extraordinary technique. Learn this amazing technique from this woman to turn her white hair black for free. See how she uses pot ink to turn her white hair black. You can also try it, and it won't cost you anything.